Hello, I'm Sandy with Home Show Garden Pros, but I'm here today with Shelby from Nelson Plant Foods, and Shelby has brought a very fun product from Nelson Plant Foods called the All-Purpose Organic Fertilizer. So all-purpose, what am I going to use this for?
Well, that's the fun part, is you can use it with anything. I brought
Awesome.
something a little different today.
Good. And this looks different from the Nelson Plant Foods.
Yes, so not our typical teal colors. This one's a poultry base, and it's a non-synthetic blend. So it's been researched and evaluated by the Organic Materials and Research Institute. That way we've got that certification. So if you're choosing to be an organic gardener, you can be safe with this option.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
So how do you apply this today is you do 2 scoops of that into this pot here.
Okay, 1. Mix it around.
Yeah, mix it around.
Mix it up. Fun project for kids, teaching kids how to garden, right?
Oh yeah, get it nice and even in there.
Okay, and
then a hole for our plant. We'll pot it back up and all done.
And we're ready to go. Now, once I've got it transplanted here,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
often should I use this?
You're gonna reapply every 2 to 3 months.
Okay, that's easy.
Simple
Wonderful.
enough. Every couple months, you just put some more on.
Well, great. Well, that is a wonderful option. Thanks from Nelson Plant Foods and Shelby. Thank you very much. This is Home Show Garden Pros, and thanks for joining us.